Good day viewers and welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Show. This is Pratiksha Karkera from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by UAE-based SRG Global FZE, a trader and distributor of PVC, PP, PE and plasticizers. The company invites all to visit their stall number 8C92 at Plast India 2018 to be held at Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad from February 7th to 12th, 2018. Breaking news coming in. One person was sadly killed and 5 others injured in an explosion yesterday around noontime at the Indian Oil Corporation Limited EE swing plant in Panipat, Haryana. In domestic market updates, market rumors. Most market players are of the opinion that LLDPE, LGPE and PP prices are likely to be left unchanged by domestic producers on Wednesday. HDPE prices meanwhile are expected to increase by 1 rupee per kg basic, while PVC prices are likely to rise by 1 rupee to 1 rupees 50 paise per kg basic. In PS import offers in India, a major producer from Singapore has offered its GPPS at $1,550 per metric ton levels and HIPS at $1,640 per metric ton levels for shipment in February 2018 on a CIF Nhava Sheva port basis. These price offers are the same as last week. Upstream styrene monomer prices continues to remain strong across the Asian region. Futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange. On January 23, 2018, LLDPE prices are higher by 10 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,905 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are lower by 9 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,467 RMB per metric ton. PVC is up by 10 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,680 RMB per metric ton. India's first post-GST union budget is going to be presented by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on Feb 1, 2018. While the country anxiously awaits the last budget by the ruling government before the 2019 elections, Polymer Update spoke with a few eminent industry experts to get an insight into their expectations from the budget. Their comments will soon be shared with viewers on this channel.
I do not expect any reduction in the duties in case of raw material, but I would definitely like the finished product which are entering our country, which is impacting our end industry, should be taxed at a higher rate so that our domestic industry can have the cushion and the margins and it can revive. Theoretically, China has banned the plastic scrap for the environmental reasons, and India should learn from them, because if we need quality products, we need to use prime virgin materials. Like after the scrap ban in China, all the waste of developed nation is coming to India at half the cost. Today, Indian industry, who has invested billions of dollars to put raw material plants, will get impacted for sure because of this plastic scrap ban in China. So Indian industry and the Indian government should take up this to the higher level to see that the ban is also implemented in India, so that we can get good quality end product. I am sure this budget will definitely bring down the corporate tax as promised by our finance minister, and gradually, as the US has also reduced the taxes, Indian government, I am sure they would cut down the corporate tax for at least 5%, which is a need of an hour. This budget, I am sure, going to be a pro-business budget, and for the plastic industry, already government is promoting a lot of special parks, special SEZs across the country to promote the industry, and I am sure they would give some incentives to the industry, which is a need of an hour for our industry also.
If you have enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymer Update and have found it to be useful for your business, please subscribe, like and comment on our channel by pressing the button below. It's Tuesday, January 23rd. This is Pratiksha Karkera. Thank you. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.